Bauer's on the line to do some trading. He's the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, are we in full-on melt-up mode here for tech?
You know, we kind of are, but I think we need to be very cautious because we know that, the rug pull can happen at any time. But, we're looking at this now as kind of the safe haven play, and it's expanding out a little bit now beyond just the big names of Microsoft and Apple and the like. And, AMAT's one of them. And unfortunately, when I sent the trade in to you guys just about 15, 20 minutes ago, the stock has already rallied, $2-3 since then. But one of the comments that I had made was there was some pretty significant resistance around the 125, 126 area that I was looking for a breakout above. And, we've got that right now. Whether that holds into the earnings print or not, we'll see. But that's what I was looking for. In terms of, what I think they might say on their call, you guys were talking about, are they going to mention AI? My over-under on the amount of times that they mention it is 8. So anybody that wants to listen in on that, ping me and let me know. But in terms of a trade, I still think there's going to be a lot of tailwinds here, a lot of momentum to the upside. So I'm looking to do a simple call spread for next week. Right now, the 131, 136, that's priced a little higher than what I sent you guys here at $1.10. That's probably up at about $1.40, $1.50 right now. When I had sent this in, again, the stock was much lower. But I think if you look at 131, 136, 132, 137, somewhere in that range based on what the market is pricing in for a move, as Kevin had alluded to, I think that's a good level. So I'm looking at a $5 wide call spread, somewhere to pay about $1.10, $1.20 for next week. And, I think these tailwinds are there. They're real. And again, I hate to say it that the buzzword AI can really help in a call, but at this point it probably can.
It kind of seems like as we are breaking out, the reach is expanding. So it's like it's almost carrying more gravity per mention. So, we'll be counting up the number of times. So the trade timeline for this, Scott, you basically assess after earnings and make your decision pretty soon.
Absolutely. And the reason I'm using next week's options rather than tomorrow is I typically don't like to have an earnings trade that, where a stock comes out with earnings after the close on Thursday and you only have one day to trade it then or make some adjustments. That's why I'm using next week. Gives me a little time to either exit, adjust, whatever I need to do.
Okay. All right. Appreciate the trade. Thanks, Scott. Looking at Applied Materials and counting the AI mentions up during the call.